Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Welcome for another Dega rewards update. Specifically, we're going to cover Dega, the ISPO, and we're going to go over my Cardano rewards. Definitely comment down below if you are at where I'm at, if not more. I know some of you have already reached hundreds of thousands of tokens, so congratulations, you're showing off. But that's all right. And if you can so kindly, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, but also engage more. I've been seeing a lot of comments, and I like that. Not only is it going to help out with the algorithm, but it gives me more incentive to want to make more videos. So the fact that I'm doing so many videos a week, and I know I took a quick pause there, but that's because I have a huge NFT announcement. We'll go over it here in a little bit. But the point of this video is simply to go over those sexy, I almost said sexy Digga rewards. So hopefully I don't get flagged for saying sexy on the channel, because that's what the moose says, right? So I'm going to pull out my calculator app. I haven't done the rewards in a couple of epochs, so we're going to get into that here in just a minute. So again, we are doing an update on the Digga rewards, and I think a lot of you are going to get something out of this. So we will have links in the description below, and if you haven't already, I do want to point out that on the Crypto Moose YouTube channel, you can type here where it says search, and you can write Dega, and right here you can watch this video. It's probably too late. Like, in my opinion, I wouldn't recommend anyone to participate anymore. Unless you want to get a little bit of Dega, and if you're super bullish, sure, but just know that, you know, we're basically a month and a half, 2 months away from the ending of this ISPO, and I just recommend to get into other ones. I'm going to be doing more videos, but I've been working on this NFT drop, so that's been big. So we'll cover that at the end. I want to bring as much value as I can immediately for you all. So Digga Realms, that is something as well that is out. So if you go to Dega, and we're going to cover this in the video right now. So let's go to Diga's main website, and then we'll get there first. So we'll go to Dega.org. And if you go here to Digga products, where it says Digga Realms and Digga Studio, go to where it says Digga Realms. Okay, and create your game today. So you can check out these videos, look at the compatibility with the blockchain. So you can now, buy your, your NFTs in different elements. So that is starting to happen right now. I'm going to be doing a deeper dive. I just need time and attention to bring you guys a valuable video. I don't want to just spiel off a bunch of garbage. So if you check out here where it says elements, basically these elements you can buy, and you can use the the Melchimeda. I believe you use M-ADA for the Cardano blockchain, and this will give you rewards and whatnot. So we're going to be doing a deeper dive, but I do want to mention that that is available. So you're all waiting for the ISPO rewards update. So am I. I haven't calculated these in a couple of epochs. So we're going to go here to rewards dashboard. So long story short, if you are delegating to the Digga 1 ISPO, this is where you go to check out your rewards. This will be claimable or in the form of an airdrop later on in the future. So instead of earning ADA by delegating your tokens that you have in your wallet to the ISPO, you're going to earn Dega instead of ADA, which is, effectively the new supply. So you're supporting that pool. So we're going to go to rewards dashboard, and we're going to go here, and it looks like we're growing. We're flowing. The moose is loose. Moose is loose. Got to bring you guys some energy. I was going to film yesterday, but I don't want to do a video where like the moose is not loose. That doesn't make sense. So now I got to be loose every time I film. I got to put craziness in my drinks. Dude, this coffee is going to get me arrested. So let's check it out. So we've got, let's just do the calculation. Doesn't matter how many ADA. I would say approximately between 20 and 30,000 ADA between 8 different wallets. That's basically what we're doing here. That's what the Moose is up to. So we've got 2,000. We're going to do an approximation. So let's do 2,460 approximation. Okay. So right here we have, is that 41,000? Woo! Baby. I'm going to be excited. So let's just call it 41,000. Is that 1,000? Yeah. The Moose's math is not the best. So 8,400. Let's just call it 400. I'm getting this close. That's it. Oh my God. No way. Plus 100. Plus 1,250. Could have done 1,270, but that's okay. Plus 23. Plus, let's just call that one 250. So we take the average. It gets it pretty close if you do it this way anyways. I learned that in math once at university. It didn't help much. 250. So we're at roughly 54,198. So we're almost at 55,000 Dega. Moose dance. Do the moose dance. All right, guys. That's all I got for the dancing. That's all I'm going to do. No, like the Dega, we have to do a Digga rewards dance. We got to do it like Moose is getting loose, baby. I swear I'm just drinking coffee. So, man, the moose is loose. Guys, comment down below. Do you guys have more or less? Just put that more or less sign. More or less than, 54,198. So that is sexy. I'm gonna do another calculation. What I'll have in the description and as well as the title, that will be the official amount that the moose is flowing with. Baby. Thank you, Carlos. Thank you, Corda, Crypto Frog. Thank you, guys. I'm actually going to look in the Discord. Shout out to... I'm going to give a shout out. All right. I don't know why the name's not showing. Okay, I was going to give a shout out, but now I'm not. So anyways, that's what we're playing with. I really want to know what you guys have. I want to know if you've been enjoying the Dega rewards. If you guys are interested, I'm only going to do the video if this video gets 100 likes. Do you want to see a video of the next best upcoming Cardano ISPOs? I was going to do a deep dive. I'm not that interested until the rest of the year. I have other projects, other things to attend to. I mean, I'm Crypto Moose. Like, life gets busy. Every month or whatever, a new company is like, hey, I want you to review my wallet. And I'm like, dude, that takes time. Like, I got to film it in 4K. I get into my cinematography mode. So that happens as well. Speaking of that, I am going to be doing a video on the Keystone. I believe it is the 3 Pro. So they're sending me this wallet. And this ties into my NFT project. So I'm going to talk about it briefly. We're not doing the official announcement yet. But to make a long story short, I've always wanted to learn to code and generate and create my own NFT collection. And I've wanted to do the Loose Moose NFT. So I'm wondering if I even have an image, what it was based on loosely. I've been working on this for a long time, at least in my head and on paper. And make a long story short, we've got a Crypto Moose exclusive coming out. And it's going to be cheap. It's going to be fun. So the reason I bring this up is because if you take a look at this hardware wallet, by the way, I've done the Tangent review. I think it's been 3 or 4 companies. The LE Pal, they've sent me their wallets. I told them that I'm only going to review your wallet if you give me something to give away. And I'm only going to give away, whether it be NFTs, digital assets, or real assets, it's going to be given away to the Loose Moose NFT card holders. So it's going to be cheap to mint. Hopefully you guys can get one. It's going to be on the calendars and whatnot. So basically, it's going to look like this. This is JPEG Store. And there's going to be 5 golden mooses. So the golden mooses, you're going to receive more airdrops more frequently. And we're going to add more utility down the road. So I'm really excited about this. I've been working hard on that. So if you guys want to check out the link tree. In the link tree, you can click this link like so, and you can check out the Loose Moose. And it's going to be minting December 21st at 5 p.m. UTC. So definitely get in there. You guys can mint as many as you want. I made the floor 9 ADA, or the mint 9 ADA. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get one. I think I'm just going to let it go and I'll buy one on the aftermarket. But this is a really cool project. I took my time. I came up with something that I thought was fun, that was simple, right? It really dawned on me. I'm like, why don't I have an NFT and I can add more utility as I go on? But right away, I'm going to be giving airdrops. I'm going to be giving tokens and giveaways. This channel is monetized, so we're going to start to make a little bit of money. And I can buy crypto, and even if it's like $15, $20 worth of stuff, I can send it to somebody. So there's going to be 5 Golden Moose NFTs. I made them all myself. I did all the IPFS work. I learned how to do it through JPEG Studio. Comment down below if you want to see me do a video on that as well. So with that being said, guys, the Moose is loose. Check out our online courses. We got a free Cardano mini course. I bring that up as well. It's also on YouTube. So if you don't want to put in your email, just watch it on YouTube. We have tons of free content. So it's up to you. If you guys want a Trezor, check out the links. It'll save you up to 25% off some of these links. So yeah, like there's a huge sale now. It's 30% off without the coupon code anyways. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. Thank you all so much. And we're back. The Moose is back with a vengeance. It's only been a couple days. So cheers, everybody.